900 USD, we can ship to your home address. We can ship to your home address. We work FedEx, UPS, and with other companies. But if you purchase, or if you like something smaller, or less than 900, or you doesn't want to wait that time, you can take it with you. The Turkish truck is so flexible. The size, it doesn't matter. Even that size, we can fold it.
Olabilir. Bunlar için geçer.
Az kalsın unutuyoruz.
He's making a sugar bowl, leaden bowl, and we have a story, interesting story about the sugar bowl. In our tradition, in the old times, if the young man wanted to get married someone, he should make the sugar bowl perfectly in front of the girl's family. It was a certain rule for marriage. They were coming and sitting here like you, and they were watching the boy. If he gets this wooden bowl perfectly, it means he has a job, he can earn money, he can look after his family, and he can get married. Otherwise, he couldn't get married, like a test for marriage. What do you think about our master? Is he gets it perfectly? Do you believe it? Focus here, please. Focus here. He can marry easily. Decoration Museum in Ankara, capital of Turkey. You can see the items origin in the museum, and also it looks like similar color with this one. That's why we call origin color for this.
Aluminium hydroxide inside of the natural stone, and we are heating this stone in the laboratory with the aluminium hydroxide, and this is oxidizing and turns to this form. You can see in the light, under the light, this is changing to 5 to 7 color, and it depends the totally amount of the aluminium hydroxide inside of the stone. This is also real stone, not a glass, not a synthetic, but the percentage of the reality is a little bit decreasing after the aluminium hydroxide. And this happening 70%, 80% real zoltanite, and the rest of one is the aluminium hydroxide. But of course, it totally depends you. Some people choosing the changing color one because this is really fantastic and interesting. But some people choosing the natural one, the original stone, because this is as valuable as like a sapphire, diamond, or the ruby. This is the precious stone. The changing color one, semi-precious.